This is a final video to fix failing motherboard audio circuits. If you want to permanently fix motherboard audio issues, this is the only video you need. Stop searching. This is the ultimate guide to fix motherboard audio problems. Your search ends here. This is the last video you'll watch to fix motherboard audio circuit failures. I'm going to show you the absolute final way to fix your motherboard's audio today. This is the one and only video you need to finally fix your motherboard audio. Don't watch anything else. This is the final video to solve motherboard audio issues. Here is the ultimate, final solution to fix motherboard audio circuits right now. You found it. This is the final video to fix motherboard audio forever. This is the exact final video you need to fix motherboard audio. I know how frustrating it is when your motherboard audio just dies, leaving you with silence or static. It feels like your whole system is useless, right? But don't panic. Rexus is here to rescue your sound. Today, we're diving deep into the core of your motherboard to diagnose and fix that failing audio circuit using 4 guaranteed methods. These aren't just random tips. These are proven techniques that will force your system to restore audio functionality, even if you've tried everything else. Forget expensive repairs or buying a new motherboard. We're talking about bringing your sound back to life right now. Follow these steps precisely. Pause the video and replicate exactly what you see on screen. These methods are designed for